Given the wide range of benefits, rewards, and annual fees available, it's impossible to name one single best credit card. But if you're looking to find the best credit card for you, breaking it down by category is a good way to approach your search. In this video we will look at the top 5 credit card based on their rewards and other features. Welcome to Finance House, where money is talking and people are listening. If you have not subscribed yet, then you might be losing the opportunity to become future billionaire. So, make sure you subscribe the channel for future updates. On number 1 spot we have Discover It Secured Card. The Discover It Secured is a well-rounded secured card that offers many benefits that are typically found with unsecured cards. Cardholders can earn cash back, receive a generous welcome bonus, use the card overseas without incurring added fees and more, all for no annual fee. Cardholders earn a competitive 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter, then 1%. Plus, you can earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases automatically. The welcome bonus is also unique. For new card members in the first year only, Discover will automatically match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. So, if you earn $50 cash back at the end of the first year, Discover will give you an additional $50. This card requires a minimum $200 security deposit, which is fairly standard for secured credit cards. It stands out from the crowd because it gives users a clear path to upgrading to an unsecured card. Starting at 8 months from account opening, Discover will automatically review your credit card account to see if they can transition you to an unsecured line of credit and return your deposit. This takes the guesswork out of wondering when you'll qualify for an unsecured credit card. On number 2 spot we have the Petal 2 Cashback, No Fees Visa Credit Card. This card is a unique card that takes a different approach to the credit card application process. Instead of judging your creditworthiness solely based on credit history, Petal may ask you to link bank accounts during the application process. Then, WebBank uses Petal's technology to analyze your bank statements and other data, such as bill payments and earnings, to determine your eligibility. This is especially beneficial for applicants who may not have any credit history. However, if you do have a credit history, that does factor into the credit decision. The Petal 2 Visa credit card is one of the few cards that charge zero fees, no annual fee, no late payment fee and no foreign transaction fees. And it stands out for consumers trying to build credit because there's no security deposit required. It also offers a rewards program with 1% cash back on eligible purchases right away, which can increase up to 1.5% cash back after you make 12 on-time monthly payments. This is not only a nice perk, but a great way to encourage responsible behavior. Cardholders also earn 2% to 10% cash back from select merchants. On number 3 we have Discover It Student Cashback Card. It is a well-rounded card that offers college students enrolled in a 2 or 4-year college the chance to build credit, while earning rewards and receiving student-centric benefits. You must be over 18 and a U.S. citizen to apply. Upon activation, cardholders can earn 5% cash back on rotating categories such as Amazon.com, gas stations or restaurants, up to a $1,500 maximum each quarter. All other purchases earn unlimited 1% cash back automatically. This card encourages you to maintain good grades by offering an annual $20 good grades reward statement credit each school year when you maintain a 3.0 or higher GPA. There is also an introductory 0% annual percentage rate for 6 months on new purchases, perfect for financing dorm room essentials or textbooks. After the intro period, there's a 12.99% to 21.99% variable annual percentage rate. At number 4 spot we have Chase Freedom Unlimited Card. Consumers who want a robust rewards card with no annual fee should consider the Chase Freedom Unlimited Card. Cardholders earn 5% cash back on grocery store purchases on up to $12,000 spent in the first year, 5% cash back on travel purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% on drugstores and dining and 1.5% on all other purchases. If you're looking to maximize your rewards, there's also a generous welcome bonus with a low spending requirement. Earn $200 cash back after you spend $500 on purchases in your first 3 months from account opening. This card has no annual fee, And you can benefit from a 0% annual percentage rate for the first 15 months on purchases, after then 14.99% to 23.74% variable annual percentage rate. This card also offers 5% cash back on Lyft purchases through March 2022 and complimentary 3 months of Dash Pass with 50% off for the next 9 months. Simply activate by December 31, 2021. On number 5 spot we have the Citi Simplicity card. This card offers one of the longest balance transfer intro periods at 0% for the first 18 months, then 14.74% to 24.74% variable annual percentage rate. This is nearly 2 years to pay off debt, which can be helpful if you have a large balance or if your cash flow doesn't allow you to pay off debt within the 6, 12, 15-month time periods of other balance transfer cards. This card has no annual fee, but it does come with one of the steeper balance transfer fees, 5% minimum $5. But this can be worthwhile if you're paying high interest charges. New cardholders have 4 months to complete their balance transfer, longer than the typical 60 to 90 days. While you have more time to complete a transfer, the intro annual percentage rate period starts at account opening, so try to make the transfer as soon as possible to get the most benefit of the interest-free period. This card also never charges late fees. There isn't a welcome bonus or a rewards program. With so many choices, finding the best credit card or cards can be overwhelming. Before applying, consider the data and do your research. It is very tough to say which is best credit card because it depends on what your goals are and how you spend money, so the best card isn't likely to be the same from person to person. And if I'm missing something, then throw your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found this video useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your time.